Hey, hi everyone. In this particular video, we are going to learn about that how we can add or set up MongoDB in Path and Connect using Mongo Shell, right? So, if you go to your command prompt and try to run Mongosh dash dash version and press enter, so it is saying that Mongosh is not recognized as an internal or external command. Why it is happening? Because you have installed the MongoDB shell but have not initialized the location and the path of that particular Mongosh, right? So I'm going to tell you that how you can do everything. You just need to click Windows plus R. I'm repeating, Windows plus R, and you will see this in the bottom, right? Here you need to write sysdm dot cpl and press OK. When you will press OK, you will get this kind of interface, right? You just need to go on the advanced section, and here on the bottom there is a environment variable. Just click on it. After clicking, you will land to this page. Now here, the system variable, right? Here you need to create the path. Now what is this path? I'm going to tell you. You first need to come to your file explorer and go to the drive where you have put the file, right? Like let me show you where it is gone. Okay, program files, right? So you need to come to the drive where you are having program files, which is usually on the C drive, right? Now go below and you will find MongoDB here. Just click on it and go to the server. Then it will show the version folder, right? Whichever version you will install, that version name folder should be there. Just click on it, and here there will be a bin, right? Just click on it, and here you will see different kind of applications, right? So what you need to do, just come back and select this bin, right? And this bin folder is the folder which you are going to use, right? So just come inside of it and take its address. So just copy it, right? Inside the bin folder, just copy the address, right? You copied. Now come to again to this particular system properties. Now inside the system variable, just click on this new, and here we will write path, and after that path, just enter this location. That's it, right? Just click OK now. Got it? So what you have done first, you have added the MongoDB path. Now we are going to add the Mongosh path also. Now how to do that? For that purpose, you need to come to the downloads where you have downloaded the Mongosh, right? So let's come on the folder of Mongosh and then come inside of it. And here there will be a bin. Inside the bin, you can see the Mongosh is here, right? So now let's take this location also. So I'll do what? I'll just select this particular location again, right? And come again to the system properties, and here inside the path, click on this edit and do one thing, that put semicolon, and after that, without giving any space, paste it. Paste the second location, right? And just press OK. And after pressing OK, just click again on the OK, and that's it. And after that, the main page, right? Just click on OK again, and that's it, right? This is how we add the system path. Now if I go to the command prompt and press enter, and now if I write mongosh dash dash version, press enter, you can see now I'm getting the version, right? 2.5.8. And this is how we add the system path in our system, right, of the Mongosh. So now you can use the MongoDB shell inside your system, inside your command prompt. So this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.